Outlook calendar categories and recurring events tutorial. So here I am in Outlook and I'm already logged into my account. So from here, let's go to the calendar page. So just click the calendar right here in the left sidebar. Then you will arrive in your Outlook calendar. And then what you can do if you have like a lot of events in your calendar is that you can use categories and color code your events right here. So in order to do that, you can just right click on an calendar event and then you will see the categorize option right here. And then you can go ahead and choose different categories like blue category, green category, and then orange and so on. But if you want to change the name, you can click manage categories and then you will arrive right here in your settings. Then from here, you can go ahead and change the name. So for example, let's say the red category will be important appointments like that. And then let's say green category will be personal. And then let's say orange will be like errands, for example, like that. So you can go ahead and identify your different categories right here by having different names for them. And then if you have like an favorite category that you like to use all the time, you can use the favorite feature right here to add it to your favorites. And then if you want to delete a category that you don't really use, like for example, we can delete this purple category right here. We can just click the trash icon right here in the right side. And then if you want to create new categories, you can just click create new. And then from here, you can name your category and then choose different colors. So let's say I just create another test category. And then let's have kind of like this purple color again right here. Then click save, and then now we have our categories right here. Now in order to use them in your events, you can just right click again and then go to categorize and then just click the category that you will put to that event. So let's say this important meeting will be right here in my important appointments. So now I can see that the color for this event has changed. And then for the weekly team meeting, so let's say we put this as errands. And now you can see it has this orange or brown color right here. And then you can go ahead and structure your day by using categories. So let's say I create another event. So let's say I just put eat breakfast. And then for 12 to 1, I can put a lunch break. And then since these are personal calendar events, I can just categorize them as personal. So we can put it like this. And then you can go ahead and use the different categories right here so that you have like a color code for all of your calendar schedule right here. And then if you want to make like a recurring event in your Outlook calendar, so let's say I already have recurring events right here. Like I have this weekly team meeting and then I have a regular bi-weekly team meeting. So if you don't know how to do that, so I'll show you how to do it. So let's say I make 10 to 12 p.m. a recurring event. So we can click new event and then from here we can put out, for example, I'll just put like a weekly team assessment. And then you can put in the required attendees right here. So I'll just use my other Outlook accounts, for example. And then you can add the room or location if you have a physical location, or you can just turn on Teams meeting if it is online. So from here, if you want to make this a recurring event, you can just click on the time right here. And then you can change the start date, the start time and end time. And then you can just click make recurring right here. So now it will be a recurring event. And then from here, you just need to put in the time frame of when you want to repeat the event. So for example, you have the numbers right here, and then you have the time frame right here. Like for example, you can repeat this every day, or you can repeat this every week, every month, or every year. So just choose what you want. So for example, I want this to repeat every week, so I'll just put 1 week right here. But if you want to repeat it like every 2 weeks, so you can just put 2 right here. So it's up to you in what time frame that you will use in repeating the event. So I will make this a weekly event. So this will repeat every 1 week. Then for the end time, you can put an end time right here, or you can remove it. So right now, the end time is until November 26, 2026. So that means that this event will repeat every week until November 26. But after that, it will not repeat anymore. So if you don't want to have an end date, you can just click the trash icon to remove the end date. And then once you do that, this event will now repeat indefinitely. So it will just repeat in your calendar until you decide to delete all of the future events if you don't need it anymore. So just choose what you want, if you want to choose an end date or not. But I will choose the end date for August 20. Then click send. Then now we have our recurring event right here. So now that the event is created, we can see every week, every Thursday, we now have the weekly team assessment. And then that will be until August 20. And then after that, we don't have the weekly event anymore, or the weekly team assessment. And then that is basically it. So those are the Outlook calendar categories and the recurring events tutorial. I hope you learn how to use them, and thank you for watching.